Huh? Yeah.
That might need your film. Is that what you're filming? Whoa. There he is.
That's cute.
That's actually
Nice
more
fish.
impressive. That's way more impressive than GoPro.
Moist fish. Moist.
Also, they have your face on video now.
Yeah, I know. Got him! That's not a bad fish. I don't know, I wasn't over there.
No,
for
mine
yours.
was literally way bigger than
Okay. Okay.
No, it literally was, bro.
It is a fish! That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Dude, they're like, I believe this one's this skinny.
Actually, I don't think...
Look at it. I mean, this one's like skinny.
Yeah, it is actually pretty skinny.
Nice fish, though. I mean, other than it's like super skinny. They're super hard to... Oh, there's one right there. Freaking cast right here, right here, right here. It came up right where I threw it. You might get that one. Got him? There you go. He was right here. I threw the other bass on top of him.
He's not very big, but...
Hey, it's a fish. You gonna... No, it came off. I've lost 2 wacky worms to you now.
Oh my god, are you... The biggest bluegill I've ever... or sunfish I've ever caught. A whopper.